how to set a password or change a password for your laptop or your computer in Windows 10 or Windows 11. First, you want to right click on the start button and click on settings. And then you want to go to accounts. And on the left side, you want to click on sign in options. And from here, you want to click on password. You should click on this right here. And then if there is no password, it should basically, you should see an add button. And if you have an existing password, you should see a change button right here. So I'm going to click on add to add a new password. And then you can type your new password and retype it again here to confirm it. You can also add a password hint to basically make you remember the password, or basically rewrite the password here if you want to. And then click on next and follow along to basically add the password to your account. And once it's done, it should basically ask you to sign in again when you open your computer the next time. And as you can see, after setting my password here, it changed to change button when I click on the password. So when you click on the change button, you will basically need to type your current password and then change it to your new password. And then just click on finish to update. In this case, I have removed the password, so it says add again. Now for Windows 11 users, if for some reason you don't see this button right here when you click on the passwords button or the passwords category, you will need to, in this page, you will need to scroll all the way down and look for an option under additional settings, which is called for improved security only allow Windows Hello sign in for Microsoft accounts on this device. Look for that option and make sure to disable it. It says recommended between parentheses, so you should disable that and then come back to the sign in category again. And when you click on passwords, it should load, and then you should see the button right here if it's not previously visible. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.